Good morning, students. Welcome to Class 5 Mathematics, Chapter number 3 Addition and Subtraction, Part 2. Can you tell what we have learned in the last class? Yes, addition and its properties. Now we are going to just recall all those topics what we have learned in the last class. Are you ready, children? Let's move now. Yeah, watch the recap. Addition and its properties. Now, addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions are the four basic operations of arithmetic. Already what we have learned in the last class as addition. Can you tell about the meaning of addition? As addition is the process whereby we put object together, isn't it? That means putting together. So what is the symbol of addition? As plus. So already noted the plus symbols inside the circle, isn't it? So I putting the arrow marks also. Now, one of the image is given that first we have the 3 oranges. So next I am adding extra 3 oranges. Okay, I am putting together extra 3 oranges. Totally how much we are having? As 6 oranges. So it is increasing the number of oranges. Okay, addition means increasing the value. We are going to add the large numbers. Okay, add. What is given that? Read the question first. 2,34,567 plus 2,13,650 plus 34,23,115. First of all, we had to fill the numbers according to the place value chart. Okay, first you had to write the place values from right side onwards to left. I'm going to fill now. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Up to that I noted. Okay, now we are going to fill the first number first. So first, before filling that, we will start from the ones place on right side. So now you tell which is the last number in the first value. As 7. It is in ones place. So we had to fill from right side onwards to left. Okay, first number 7 in ones. So I write in the ones place 7, then 6 in tens, then 5 in 100, 4 in 1000, 3 in 10,000, 2 in lakh. Then I am going to fill the second number, start from the ones place onwards. Okay, it is start from 0. So 0 in ones place, 5 in tens, 6 in 100, 3 in 1000, 1 in 10,000, 2 in lakh. Okay, and then third number going to fill 5 in ones, 1 in tens, 1 in 100, 3 in 1000, 2 in 10,000, 4 in lakh and 3 in 10 lakh. Okay, after filling that, write the plus symbol first. Okay, then we start to count the values from right side onwards from the ones place. Move to the higher place values. So in ones place, what are the value we are having? 7, 0, 5. So 7 plus 0 plus 5. Totally how much you get now? As 12. 12 is the 1-digit number or 2-digit number? 2-digit number. So write the second number in the ones place. Write the first number. It moves as a carry to the next place. Okay, so write 2 in the ones place. Remaining 1, the first number 1 is there, know that it moves as a carry to the tens place. So write above the tens place. Now what and all we are having in the tens place? As carry 1, then 6, then 5, then 1. So we want to add all together. So 1 plus 6 how much? 7. 7 plus 5? 12. 12 plus 1? 13. Okay, so it is also 2-digit number. So write 3 in the tens place and 1 moves as a carry to the hundreds place. So write 1 above the 100. Now you have 1 carry, 5, 6 and 1. These are the values in 100 place. Now you add all together. 1 plus 5 how much? 6. 6 plus 6? 12. 12 plus 1? 13. Okay. So write 3 in the 100 place and then 1 first number 1 that moves as a carry to the next place. What place? as 1000. So write 1 in above the 1000 place. Now what and all you have in the 1000 place? As 1, 4, 3, 3. Now you add all together. 1 plus 4 how much? 5. 5 plus 3? 8. 8 plus 3? As 11. So you have the 2-digit number again, isn't it? So write the second number 1 in the 1000 place. That one first number moves as a carry to the 10,000 place. Okay. Now what and all you have in the 10,000 place? As 1, 3, 1, 2. Now you add all together. 1 plus 3 how much? 4. 4 plus 1? 5. 5 plus 2? 7. So that is 1-digit number. It doesn't have any other carry. So you had to write 7 in the 10,000 place. Then move to the lakh place. What and all you have? 2, 2, 4. So you had to add all together. 2 plus 2? 4. 4 plus 4? 8. So that is also 1-digit number. Doesn't have any other carry. So write 1-digit number 8 in the 10 lakh place. Okay, then move to the 10 lakh place. What do you have now? Only 3. So not having any other number to add with that. So bring the 3 down. So what do you get finally? 38 lakh 71,332. That is the answer. Yeah, now I'm going to ask some questions to you about properties of addition. Are you ready, children? Shall I ask the questions to you? Yeah, first one. We are going to identify the properties. Okay, I'm going to give example to you about properties of addition. Okay, example 1. 450 plus 324 is equal to 324 plus 450. So how many numbers we are adding here? Only 2 numbers. So 2 numbers is given on left and 2 numbers is given on right. So but we change the order of the number, isn't it? Now we add the 2 values. 450 plus 324 how much now? 774 is equal to 324 plus 450. What do you get? The same value 774. Now you tell that this example comes under in which property? Only we are adding 2 values. As very good, commutative property. Good, commutative property. Next example. 20 plus 40 plus 50 is equal to 20 plus 40 plus 50. On left side, second number and third number I wrote inside the bracket, and on right side, first number and second number I separated by the bracket. Okay, now on left side, 20 plus 40 plus 50, how much now? 90, that you write. Then equal to 20 plus 40, how much? 60. Then plus 50. Okay, so now you have to add on left side, 20 plus 90, how much? 110 is equal to 60 plus 50, how much? 110. Okay, while adding, we are getting the same value at last. Now we are adding 3 numbers, same 3 numbers, but we are adding different manner. I mean changing the order of the numbers. So this example comes under in which property? As associative property. Okay, good. Superb. Now I am going to ask another one question for you. Example 5078 plus 0. Already you know about that. Whenever we add any other values to 0, we get the same value, isn't it? 5078. Now you tell this example comes under in which property? As 0 property or identity property. Okay, superb. Very good. We are going to see the next concept. Now going to identify the topics. Are you ready, children? See here. 5 apples were there. The 2 apples are crushed. That is a spoiled apple. We are having the 3 good apples. So here, decreasing the number of good apples, isn't it? So it comes under in which topic? As subtraction. Superb. Now you tell. Already I told that Addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions are the four basic operations of arithmetic. Already we studied about addition. Now we are going to study the subtraction. Already mark out that the symbol of subtraction. What is that? As minus. Now you see here at subtraction and its property going to study now. You see here one of the goal is take away doll from another girl, isn't it? And another one image you see here, one of the boy is take away one piece from the circle, isn't it? So what do you mean by that? As take away from the whole part, isn't it? Take away, it comes under the subtraction. So that means the subtraction mean is the process as whereby we take away the object from the whole part. Okay. Now what is the symbol of subtraction? As minus, that is sleeping line. Okay, let's move the next concept. Already we used so many words in the addition. Like that we use some words in the subtraction also. So now you see here terms used in subtraction. So difference, while subtracting the two values we are getting the result, that is the difference. Minus also it is later words to the subtraction. Less than, whenever you are subtracting the two values, if you find the word less than, you have to subtract the values. And take away, then subtract, then deduct. Deduct means reduce the values. So difference, minus, less than, take away, subtract, deduct. These are the words all related to the subtraction. So we have to subtract the values. These are the words reduce the values. So it all comes under that subtraction. Let's going to explain about the subtraction. Example, subtract 235 from 987. Now, whenever you subtracting the two values, the first value is the biggest value and second value you have to write the smallest value. Now you tell 235 or 987, which is the biggest one, as 987 is the biggest one. So you have to write the biggest value first. Then second number should be always smaller. So which is the smaller here? 235. So you have to write the second number. Okay. So write the first number, biggest one, 987. That numbers we called as minuend. Okay. So first number always called minuend. And second number, what is the symbol for subtraction? Minus, that you have to mention. Then write the second number, that should be smaller. Which is the smaller value here? 235. So you have to write 235 below that. So how do we call the second number? It is as subtrahend. Okay, the first number we called the biggest value, we called the minuend. The second number we called that subtrahend. Okay, so now you have to subtract the values. 7 minus 5, how much? 2. 8 minus 5, 8 minus 3, 5. 9 minus 2, 7. So finally we get 752. So the result of the subtraction, that is called what? As difference. That is difference. Okay, first number is called minuend, second number is called subtrahend, and third number, I mean the result of the subtraction, that is called difference. Okay, so let's move the next things. Now we are going to study the subtractions of large number. How to subtract the large number. How to subtract one number from another number. Look at one example for you. Subtract 94,13,205 from 1,78,40,926. Already I told that while subtracting the two numbers, the first number should be greater, the second number should be smaller. That is the method to write the subtraction. Okay, so before that, and now you tell two numbers are given. Which is the biggest one here? As the 1 crore is the biggest one. That is second number. So first number is the smaller one. So like that we want to arrange that. Okay, now you see here, before that you have to fill the place value chart according to the Indian system. Now you see here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, so now I am going to fill the second number, that is the biggest one. So I am writing the first value. Start from the ones place, then move to the higher place values. So once, what is given in the ones? 6. 6 in ones, 2 in tens, 9 in hundred, 0 in thousand, 4 in 10,000, 8 in lakh, 7 in 10 lakh, 1 in crore. And then second number going to fill that. It start from the ones place. That is smaller value, 94 lakh. Okay, 5 in ones, 0 in tens, 2 in hundred, 3 in thousand, 1 in 10,000, 4 in lakh, and 9 in 10 lakh. So now we are going to subtract the two values. Before subtracting, check the values. First you start from the right side onwards from ones place. What and all we have in the ones place? 6 and 5, isn't it? So 6 and 5, with second number should be keep in your mind, and first number up to that we want to take our finger. Okay, so 5 in the mind, take 0 fingers. You have to tell up to what number is given, 6. Up to 6 you want to take your finger. So 5 in the mind, take 0 fingers, 5 after 6. So how many fingers you are having? Only 1. That we want to write in the ones place. Okay, now see the tens place. What and all we have? First number 2, second number 0. So compare the second number and first number. So second number always smaller, I don't know. So it is correct order. So we can subtract directly. So 2 minus 0, how much? No. Take second number in your mind. 0 in the mind. Take 0 fingers. 0 after 1, 2. Okay, how many fingers you are having now? 2. That you want to fill in the tens place. Okay, then move to the hundred place. Before separating, check second number is smaller or bigger. Now second number is smaller, so you can subtract directly. So 9 minus 2, how much now? As 7. So you have to write 7 in the hundred place. Now move to the thousand place. Now what and all you have? First number 0, second number 3 you are having. So second number is bigger or smaller? Bigger. So bigger means you should borrow the number. Suppose smaller means you don't want to borrow the number, just you have to subtract directly. But here it is bigger, so the first number get borrowing the nearby number. So 0 get 1 from 4, so it becomes 10. It become 2-digit number. I mean it multiply 10. Okay, so you plus 10, you are adding plus 10 like that. 0 plus 10 you get 10. Okay, so 10 minus 3, how much now? 7. Okay, now you move to the 10,000 place. Already in the 4 give 1, so the 4 become 3. We have 3 in the first number and second number 1. So compare that. Second number is smaller, so you have to subtract directly. So 3 minus 1, how much now? As 2. That we want to write. The next one, lakh. First number is 8, second number is 4. So second is smaller or bigger? Smaller. Smaller means you can subtract directly. So 8 minus 4, how much now? As 4. That you want to write. The next one, 10 lakh place. First number is 7, second number is 9. So second number is compared with the first one. It's bigger or smaller? Yes, bigger. So bigger means what do you want to do? Borrowing the numbers. So the 7 get 1 from crore. So the crore give 1. So the crore 1 becomes 0. The 7 get 1 from crore. So the 7 becomes 17. Okay. So 17 minus 9, how much now? As 8. So then next one, crore, you have nothing. So 0. You can write, otherwise leave the zeros. Now what do you get finally the answer? 84 lakh 27,721. Have you understood that? How to subtract the numbers? The homework is Chapter 3, Addition and Subtraction, page number 18, exercise number 1, part 1, that is fill in the blanks. And page number 19, exercise number 2, part 1, that is addition. And page number 21, exercise number 3, part 1, that is subtraction. Only 2 sums are there. Just you had to complete them in the book itself. Thank you, children. We can study the remaining topics in the next class.